Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll be playing Would You Rather with 40 hardest choices you'll ever make. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Thank you, and let's get started. Would you rather watch movies on Netflix or watch movies at the movie theater? Would you rather only use Instagram or only use Twitter? Would you rather eat this burger or give it to him? Not easy, right? Leave your answers in the comments to let us know. Would you rather have $20 million right now or have $2,000 a day for 10 years? Would you rather travel the world for free for a year or have $50,000 to spend however you want? Would you rather be friends with your favorite superhero or be friends with your favorite YouTuber? Would you rather go on a vacation alone or go on a vacation with friends? Would you rather live without water or live without electricity? Would you rather live alone on an island or live with your friends in Antarctica? Would you rather having more time or having more money? Would you rather keep your life or start your life over? Would you rather have good friends or have a good partner? Would you rather have your own personal chef on call or have a maid who cleans up after you? Would you rather find your true love or get your dream job? Would you rather spend a week in the forest or a night in a real haunted house? Would you rather win $25,000 or your best friend win $100,000? Would you rather win the Nobel Prize or win an Olympic gold medal? Would you rather be rich or be famous? That's a difficult choice, right? Would you rather be a billionaire with no friends or be average but have people who love you? Would you rather be the funniest person in a room or the smartest person in a room? Would you rather be invisible or be able to fly? Would you rather have unlimited battery life on all of your devices or have free Wi-Fi wherever you go? Would you rather solve world hunger or solve global warming? Would you rather win the lottery next year or find true love today? Would you rather have been rich and ugly or be poor and gorgeous? Would you rather never go on social media again or never watch another movie or TV show? Would you rather live without the internet or live without seeing daylight again? Would you rather be royalty 1,000 years ago or an average person today? Would you rather always have a full phone battery or always have a full gas tank? Would you rather end racism or end sexism? Would you rather lose your phone or lose your car keys? Would you rather have a photographic memory or have an IQ of 200? Would you rather eat only pizza for a year or not eat any pizza for 5 years? Would you rather only watch YouTube again or only watch TikTok again? Would you rather see only black and white or only see things blurry? Would you rather live in a treehouse or in a cave? Where do you want to live? Would you rather listen to only pop music or listen to only rap music for the rest of your life? Would you rather be able to speak any language or be able to communicate with animals? Would you rather never watch TV again or never listen to music again? Would you rather be a very good singer or be a very good dancer? Which choice did you find the most difficult? Please leave your answer in the comment section to let us know. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this. And I'll see you in the next video.